Hi, my name is Olusegun Taiwo, and I'm the founder and CEO of Solideon. We are rewriting the rules of defense manufacturing. Let's be blunt. Defense products take way too long. From concept to deployment, we're stuck in a system that hasn't evolved since the Cold War. Long lead times, unreliable vendors, and zero knowledge retention are things that are killing America's industrial base. We're not just a supply chain issue that we're dealing with here. This is a manufacturing crisis. We are building 21st century weapons on 70-year-old infrastructure. We rely on factories that cannot evolve and a workforce that is aging out. Every ship is delayed. Every system has under-delivered chronically. It all traces back to how and where we manufacture. Solidion isn't just trying to work around the system. We're replacing it. We've developed autonomous, forward-deployable manufacturing cells that can produce maritime, aerospace, defense, and even space hardware where it's needed, when it's needed. Meet Aperture, our flagship platform. It welds, it prints, it grinds, it assembles, all from a multi-robotic system using off-the-shelf hardware with no CapEx needed. No factory is needed either. And we optimize for large, mission-critical hardware. Now, let me show you what Aperture looks like in action. This is us 3D printing and assembling an entire propulsion tank fully autonomously in 3 days with a team of 6 people, right? No humans had to touch metal at all for this rocket company. This was at the scale of 6 feet as well. We're building big things and big infrastructure. Behind Aperture is Alopium, our manufacturing brain. It's a single platform that programs, simulates, and controls the entire robotic system with feedback, real-time control loops, and a full digital twin integration. This is not just automation, this is autonomy. We built Alopium to play well with others. We call it BYOR, bring your own robots. Bring your own sensors and machines, and even legacy gear. It is plug and play for the warfighter, the shipbuilder, or the forward base here. We turn disconnected hardware into one intelligent, upgradable ecosystem. We've already been building for customers. We're producing critical parts in-house, executing purchase orders under 100 units, and containerizing robotic manufacturing cells across their environments. One of the cool things that we're actually going to do is put some of our robots in the field for naval programs later this year. See, our software licenses unlock your existing robotics, and we can spin up joint product lines with customers in less than 30 days. Things that we're already doing, not things that we might do at some point. Now, unlike others in this space, we do not need clean rooms or powder beds. We can print titanium, copper, Inconel at full scale using our wire-fed welding robots and arms. We effectively, where they stop, we scale effectively with our competitive analysis here. And we're not just pitching, we're delivering. We've done $500,000 in contracts with Fincantieri this year alone, 500K plus POs with the NAVSEA, en route to $2 million of purchase orders for the submarine industrial base. We've done 120K from revenue from aerospace partners last year. With Texas A&M and Yaskawa Robotics, we've built collaborations for this team, and we filed 2 patents and joint IP with Tier 1 university partners. This is our scale plan. This is the team. This is the core command team for Solidion. We are engineers, builders, and defense technologists with deep roots in aerospace and autonomy. Now, a bit about myself. I was employee 15 at Rocket Lab. I built the propulsion line at Virgin Orbit, and I designed, built, and launched the world's first fully 3D printed rocket engine as employee 15 at Rocket Lab. Now I'm building the future of defense production, and I'm stoked that we can take that experience into this. Solidion is not a factory. It's a platform to make defense agile again. We're ready to forward deploy and integrate with your teams and turn America's robotics into a resilient, autonomous defense supply chain. NavalX, let's build together.